Alright guys, here is how to download and listen to Audible books on your computer. So check this out. I have been using Audible for 6 or 7 years now. I don't know if this is a new feature or not, but you can actually listen to Audible on your desktop. Isn't that crazy? In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and I want to make self-growth normal because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. Step 1, log into Audible's site and go to Library in the upper left-hand corner. Step 2, from there, there's all sorts of stuff you can do. Filter what you see by audiobooks, podcasts, wish list, collections, which are kind of like playlists, but with audiobooks, and authors. On the upper right-hand corner, you can search for an audiobook, author, or podcast. Below that, you'll find lenses that you can kind of use to sort what you see. So by the date added, length, the title, or author. And step 3, from there, you can either listen to your title using the Audible Cloud Player or download it right to your computer. But that is how you download and listen to Audible on your computer. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any other questions about this, any other questions about Audible in general. I did a video about kind of 30,000 feet looking down, the overall Audible app and how it works from start to finish. I will drop a link to that in the description. And if you have any incredibly specific questions that you cannot seem to find the answers to on the internet, give Audible's helpline a call at 1-888-283-5051. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I will see you then.